and Najib. So I got it from Najib and Lamar. Unfortunately, we had 3 that they got this wrong. Let's try to find out again. We are in number 6. Again, I'm going to take the last sentence. It is mostly it. Take a sense before. The reign of the queen had commenced. Mean the reign of the queen had started. Which queen you're talking about? I don't know. So take a sense before. Rose Saxon or Rosa, both are right. Rose or Rosa, both are right. The queen of romance comics. So this is a title for her. Was at her drawing board in the garage of her house in Bloomtown. This is her place. The reign of the queen had commenced. The reign of the queen had started. The reign of whom? Rosa. It's mostly 2. I'm going to count to 5. 1, 2. Mayar changed. 3. Lamar changed. 4, 5. Only we have one that still got it as a mistake. Stress how successful Rosa has become at acting comic books. Yes. Yes. He mentioned that how she is successful. And here he mentioned comics. When she started to call her queen. Describe a new character that Sammy is developing a Gold Star. Who's Sammy? Who's Sammy here? And what is Gold Star? And who's the new character? No. Show how Rosa viewed the women who read her comics. We didn't talk about women here. We didn't talk about women. Explain why Rosa used a different name while working for Gold Star. He didn't say that she was working for Gold Star. It wasn't mentioned at all. And he didn't tell us that this is another name. This is a title. So the answer is A. Clear, Lace? Lace, clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 7. I got the answer from Hannah. From Mayar. From Sarah. From Yusuf. From Siba. Waiting for the rest. From Limar. From Lamar. Waiting for Lace and Najib. From Najib.
Did I send the answer?
Really? Nothing. You send again, please. From Lace. Unfortunately, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 got this as a mistake. 4 got this as a mistake. You have time still. I'm going to take the last sentence. He said, Rushmer and Turner study may have identified subduction zone that is. What is the subduction zone? I don't understand. Take a sense before. Rushmer and Turner say each rock layer in the sequence at the Mariana lava and the Novik lava describe a step, in the birth. Take care of the word birth. Take care of the word birth. And you know that the layers of the earth, geology, the birth of the subduction zone. So we're talking about the birth of subduction zone with the layers, rock layers. Rushmer and Turner study may have identified a subduction zone that is. I said that we have 4 that they got wrong. I'm going to count. 1. If you want to change. 2. I said birth. 3. 4. 5. Okay. Lamar change. The result of a modern arc-like lava sequence, we didn't talk about that. We need to bring something from here. A crevice means a split deeper than the Mariana Trench. We didn't talk about any crevice. Likely to reveal why subduction occurs. It didn't tell me why it occurs. The oldest, I said the birth of subduction zone. The birth. So the oldest subduction zone on Earth, yes. Which one is old and which one is young, according to the layer of the Earth. Clear, Hannah?
Yes.
Clear, Limar?
Yes.
Clear, Sarah?
Yes, clear.
Number 8. Your answer, please, on the chat box. I got the answer from Mayar. From Yusuf. From Limar. From Hannah. From Siba. From Lamar. From Sarah. From Najib. Laith, you still didn't send me. Laith. From Laith. Okay, number 8, unfortunately, we have also one that she or he got it wrong. Let's find. Again, complete the text, the last sentence. He said Pierce issued a counterclaim. Counterclaim means opposite. Opposite. In response to Rushmer and Turner research that, I don't know the research to know what is the opposite. So take a sentence before. The evidence would be compelling. If the rocks were young, I need the opposite of young. Unreformed, I need the opposite of unreformed. And fresh, I need the opposite of fresh. I'm going to count to 5. Only one that got it wrong. 1. I need the counterclaim. 2. 3. 4. Lamar change. Okay, no mistakes right now. So I need the opposite, the counterclaim for those. So scientists have recently discovered subduction zone with characteristics that contradict Rushmer and Turner's finding? No. It didn't say that. I need counterclaim. The rocks Rushmer and Turner studied were so old, yes, the opposite of young. And deformed, the opposite of unreformed. That might not have yielded reliable data, yes, because here he said compelling. So did the opposite, the counterclaim. The lava sequence that Rushmer and Turner studied are unique. No, unique is not opposite to them. And don't apply to other subduction zones? No. A geochemist at Stanford University have found key differences between the geochemical signature of Novitic lava and the Mariana Trench lava. We didn't talk about that. So the answer is B. The last question. The last question before the quiz. Your answer in the chat box. I got the answer from Yusuf. From Mayar. From Sarah. From Hannah. From Siba. From Laith. From Limar. From Najib. Waiting for Lamar. From Lamar. Okay, unfortunately, again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Forgot this as a mistake. Let's find the last sentence. He said at the salt marsh edges. However, it contradicts its translation word that contradicts with the sense before it. So take a sense before. He said ecologist Catherine Behischi and colleagues found that burrowing crabs living within these pans, if I have a pan, and we have crab here, improve drainage, so it makes something positive, by loosening the soil, leading the pans to shrink as marsh plants move back in. That means the plants will increase if the crabs are in the middle. At salt edges, but if it's at salt edges here, however, crab-induced soil loosening can promote marsh loss. Something negative. So if it's here, negative. If it's here, positive. By accelerating erosion, suggesting that the burrowing action of crabs. Here, negative. Here, positive. One, for the 4 that they got it wrong. 2, 3, 4. Okay, Yusuf, it change. Said 4, 5. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3. Now, can be beneficial. Yes, it can be positive. To march with the small pans, but can be harmful to march with large pans. I didn't say small or large. Wallah. I didn't talk about the size here. I talk about the location. The location of the crabs. They promote increases in marsh plants. Yes, here. Or decrease in marsh plants. Yes, here. Depending on crab's location. Yes, he talk about the crab location and how it affect the plants. Here positive, here negative. Tends to be more heavily concentrated in area of marsh interior with standing water than on marsh edges. We didn't talk about the concentration or the number of crabs. Varies in intensity depending on the size. Again, we didn't talk about the size. And even A and D both talk about the size. So the answer is B. Clear, Hannah?
Yes.
Clear, Limar? Limar, clear?
Yes, clear.
Najib, clear?
Yes.
Now it's your test. Now it's the test. I'm going to send this test, the quiz, I'm sorry. You have to solve it right now. And as usual, you're going to write for me the whole answers. Not one by one. And just to know, there are 7 questions. There are 7 questions. Okay, the sheet with you right now, guys. Start solving and write the answer on the chat box, please. For all the questions, for all the 7 questions. Write the answer for the whole 7 questions. Okay. Lace. First one right, second one right, third one right, fourth right, fifth right, sixth right, seventh right. ما شاء الله ليث. ما شاء الله. 7 out of 7 Lace. Limar. 1 right, 2 right, 3 right, 4 right, 5 wrong. Limar. 6 right, 7 right. 6 out of 7. Perfect also Limar. Waiting for the rest. Najib. 1 right, 2 right, 3 right, 4 right, 5 right, 6 right, 7 right. ما شاء الله. Seven out of 7, but you're waiting just to complete the course because I have stuff. I have stuff I'm gonna tell you about. Still, we have minutes. Wait until the others start submitting their test or their quiz. Okay, Mayar. 1 right, 2 right, 3 right, 4 right, 5 wrong, Mayar. There is a problem now in 5 with Limar and Mayar. 6 right, 7 right. Perfect also Mayar. 6 out of 7. Neither Mayar. Okay, for Sarah. 1 right, 2 right, 3 right, 4 right, 5 right, 6 right, 7 right. Perfect, Sarah. 7 out of 7. Waiting for the rest. Okay, so I'm gonna let the others that they finish. They can leave. Limar, you can leave. Mayar, you can leave. Sarah, you can leave. Najib, you can leave. And I'm
Bye,
gonna put
Mr.
for you. Bye. Okay, Yusuf. 1 right, 2 right, 3 right, 4 right, 5 right, 6 right, 7 right. Perfect, Yusuf. 7 out of 7. You can leave, Yusuf.
Thank you, Mr. Ba.
You're welcome. Bye. Saba. 1 wrong, yes, Saba. 2 right, 3 wrong, 4 right, 5 wrong يا سبا, 6 right, 7 wrong. We need to divide this Saba, please. You got 3 out of 7. Okay, Saba?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, you can leave.